Hi, I'm Rick, and this is how our 30-06 single door handle drawer pulls come when they're shipped to you. I'm going to just show you how to put this together really quick. Don't over tighten it. It comes with the 8 by 32 by 1.5 inch long bolts, 2 spacers in the unit itself. You drill the holes on the board 1.5 inches apart, and you can basically go up to about 732 in size. You can go a little bigger, but you don't want to have it bigger than the case, because the case, see, the case just covers it there, basically. You'll end up with this going on. If you end up with one of those going on and you still have a problem, then what you do is just go and buy yourself some washers, something like that, or something fancy like some nice brass ones, and what you do is you just mount the case like that. That'll help out, and it'll stop if you have any problems with your installation. Your old hole would be here, your other hole's going to either be above it or below it, 1.5 inches, and you have to line them up. You take a bolt, put it through, take the case. As you noticed in the picture, I have the cases this way against them. I'm going to put them this way against them, just because it looks a little different when you do it. So that's that one there, and you just basically get it started. You just have to have a little patience. There you go, we got that one started. You get that one, you get it started. Sometimes it's hard to see the other hole, but you just gotta have a little bit of patience. That's all you need. Alright, no power tools on this, just regular screwdriver. Now if you notice on this, once I got her snugged up, not quite snugged up, but snugged up, there's a lot of play in here. That's why I recommend the hole for the bolts to be up to about 732. It gives you a chance to move this around. The reason for that is if you happen to screw up and this is straight, now you're over here, you're over there, you've got a lot of play back and forth. So you want the cases lined up straight, and of course you want to cover the hole. So what you do is you take your handle, make your adjustment, whether it's right or left, get it centered about halfway, which is so that when you look from the top you don't see it. You go like that, you basically go like this. You can get them cocked a little bit sideways, but you can adjust that by just loosening and retightening it. Basically that's it there, and when you look from the top, you basically don't see anything but the cartridge itself, and it gives you a nice strong handle. Anyways, that should help you out. Thank you very much. Bye. Have a good day.